Hey, what's up, guys? Long time no see. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's healthy. Hope everyone's safe. Today I got a 2020 Series 1 hobby box. Super pumped to open this. Been getting a lot of good stuff out of Series 1 so far. Yeah, I'm just super pumped. I went through a little, didn't have sleeves or top loaders for a while there, so finally got good amount of those, so I can get back to breaking stuff pretty regularly again. So I'm pumped about that. Let's see, you get 24 packs, 14 cards per pack, and there is one guaranteed hit in here. Well, we'll see what that is. Let's get to it. Oh yes. Oh, and there is one silver pack in here. That's nice. Silver pack. Nice. I love this. I love getting to rip packs open. So let's get to it. See if we can find any short prints. One of the players that I'm after for is Aristides Aquino. Obviously, Jordan Alvarez, Bo Bichette. So there's a lot of good people and a lot of good players in here. Miguel Cabrera, Tyler Alexander, rookie. Daniel Murphy, Bobby Bradley, rookie. Jose Urena, Randy Arozarena, Eric Feed, Tyler O'Neill, Jamison Tylon, Andrew Miller, Boston Red Sox team card, Philadelphia Phillies team card, Josh Rojas rookie, and Tommy La Stella. I don't think there was any. That pack was pretty much a dud, but that's okay. You know, you get 23 more. 23 more of them. So here we go. Just checking the. Didn't look like we got any short prints, but I'm just making sure. Just because I feel like you have to, you know. Better safe than sorry. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Getting back to ripping packs again, guys. Let's go. Hope everyone's safe out there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Do also have an Instagram with the same username, Senor Tops. So make sure to check that out. All right, here we go, guys. Raisel Iglesias, Anthony Rendon, Albert Almora, Josh Bell, Adam Frazier, Tom Edman, future star, Josh Fegley, Blake Parker, Mitch Haniger, Juan Soto, World Series, Tim Anderson, League Leaders, Jose Abreu, League Leaders, Enrique Hernandez, and Michael Chavis, future star. Oh. Didn't get anything there. All right, off to a little cold start, but that's okay. I'm sure it'll kick up a notch here soon. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Austin Riley, future star. Trevor Richards, Kenta Maeda. Trevor Richards. Mike Yastrzemski, future star. Brandon Drury. Eloy Jimenez, Gold Cup. Isan Diaz, rookie card. Aroldis Chapman. Marco Gonzalez. Lewis Thorpe. John Segura. Ramon Laureano. I think that is a short print. I want to say this Ramon Laureano is a short print. It is indeed a short print. So very nice. A Ramon Laureano short print. See, it's got 284 there as the last three digits. All of the other ones end in 269, I believe. So great. I love short prints, and this is a good one. Ramon Laureano. Excellent player. Has a cannon for an arm. Everyone says that. So yeah, I mean, this is awesome. I love short prints. From, I believe Ramon Laureano is from the Dominican Republic. Let's see. Yes, he is from Santo Domingo. Sweet. Very nice. Very, very nice. Looks good right off the bat. Very nice. There we go. his normal Series 1 picture, I believe, is him making a catch over the wall, which is why I was able to recognize it pretty much immediately, that it was a short print. So that's nice. Very nice. Ramon Laureano short print. Let's see. Aroldis Chapman, Marco Gonzalez, Lewis Thorpe, and Gene Segura. I'm pretty sure I already read all those players. Wait, where were the other? Oh, right here. Nick Markakis and Luke Voigt. Cool. Cool. Ramon Laureano short print. Very nice. All right, here we go. Oops. Tyler Flowers, Gary Sanchez, Ronald Acuna Jr. Love that picture. Mitch Garver, Jose Quintana, James Paxton, Dylan Cease rookie. That's a nice one. Hollywood Heroes, Big Air, Big Hair. Austin Barnes, Amir Garrett, JD Martinez home run challenge insert, and let's see, Anthony Santander and Mike Fiers. Cool. Dylan Cease, that's a good rookie to get. Sweet. Here we go. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Chris Davis, Ahmed Rosario, Andrew Cashner, Jacob deGrom, Omar Narvaez, Reese McGuire, Matt Tice, rookie, Dan Vogelback, Erod, Ryan Presley, Trent Grisham, rookie. Here is a 1990s Decade's Best insert, Frank Thomas, David Peralta, and Michael Pineda. Sweet. Alright, here we go. Jonathan Villar, Robinson Cano, Julio Teheran, DJ LeMahieu, Shane Green, Jose Martinez, Randall Grichuk, Gleyber Torres, Garrett Cole League leaders, Caleb Smith, Max Scherzer World Series, Dale Murphy, 1985, Brian Anderson, and Mike Moustakas. Sweet. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it rolling. I'm actually just going to take all these packs out of the box. I like that better anyway. Put all those packs right there. There we go. Get a little bit more room over here. I'm going to bust open these packs. All right, here we go. Let's keep it going. Well, so far we haven't hit any of the big rookies. Nobo Bichette, Yordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux. Totally blanking out right now. Oh, Dustin May, David Bott, Chris Archer, Jose Peraza, Aristides Aquino. Haven't got him yet, so hopefully they pop up here soon. Hyunjin Ryu, league leaders, Mike Clevenger, Billy Hamilton, Hansel Robles, Kurt Suzuki, LA Dodgers team card, Christian Yelich, Travis Demeritte, Herman Marquez gold. I've pulled a lot of Herman Marquez for some reason. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's funny. Out of 2020. Nice. Javi Baez and Chase Anderson. Chase Anderson. Last one. Here we go. Andrew Heaney, AJ Puck rookie. It's nice. Sandy Alcantara, Francisco Lindor, Trent Thornton, Max Muncy, Andres Munoz rookie. Manny Bienmany, Daniel Mengden, Zach Wheeler, Herman Marquez, Al Kaline, 1985, rest in peace. That's a nice one. Sean Murphy, rookie card. And Jock Peterson. And Jock Peterson. Alright, here we go. Let me just situate these somewhere. Alright, here we go. All right, Jose Berrios, Luke Jackson, Mike Tauchman, David Price, Master and Apprentice, Max Scherzer, Ludris Gurriel Jr., Jake Lamb, Ben Gamel, Starling Marte, Brandon Crawford, Christian Vasquez Gold. Very nice. That is 978 out of 2020. Cool. I like getting gold cards. Christian Vasquez is really good. Watch him play all the time because I'm here in Boston, so I get to catch a lot of Red Sox games. And yeah, he's really good. Jeff McNeil and JT Riddle. Sweet. All right, let's keep it going. Oops, sorry about that. Aaron Judge, Cody Bellinger, Ryan Braun, Hanser Alberto, Carson Kelly, Christian Yelich, Paul Goldschmidt, J.P. Crawford, Emilio Pagan, Justin Verlander, Brock Holt, Trevor Bauer, Max Stassi, and Adrian Morejon. Nothing on this pack. Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Hell yeah. Hope everyone's doing well. I know I've said that, but I do mean that. Hope everyone is okay. Roman Quinn, Alex Colomé, Joey Lucchesi, Danny Holtzen, Chance Sisco, Nick Solak rookie, Jay Bruce, Austin Meadows, New York Yankees team card, St. Louis team card, close call, Fernando Tatis Jr., Topps Choice. Very cool. Very, very nice. Let's leave that one up. That's a nice one. Let's see. St. Louis Cardinals and close call. That is a good one. Okay, let me get some top loaders. Alrighty. Man, it feels so good to finally like re-up on, you know, supplies. So good. You can just finally break again, you know? Oh, awesome. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. I like those top choice inserts. Those are nice. Got a lot of good looking cards with those. Alright. Jeimer, Candelario. Brendan McKay, rookie. Very nice. There we go. Jake Marisnik. Patrick Sandoval, rookie card. Robel Garcia, rookie. So 3 good rookies off the bat. Patrick Corbin. Jesus Aguilar. Jorge Alfaro. Scott Kingery. Masahiro Tanaka. Ian Desmond. And Oscar Mercado. I don't know why I said it like that. Oscar Mercado. Rainbow Foil. Future Star. Very nice. It's a nice one right there. Oscar Mercado. Very nice. Cool. All right. Starting to get some good stuff here. Jesse Winker and Pete Alonso. That's a good one. The Polar Bear. All right, guys. Miss baseball. So, gotta rip packs to kind of pass the time right now. So here we are. Let's go. Let's get something good. David Fletcher. Anthony K, rookie. Alex Verdugo. Liam Hendricks. Soaking it all in. Juan Soto. Kevin McCarthy. Luis Castillo. Volmer Sanchez. Zach Collins, rookie card. Nice. Matt Carpenter. Dustin May. 1985 design, rookie. Very nice. I'll sleeve that one up right now. Very nice. I love that 1985 design. Very clean. Very, very clean. Looks good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's keep it going. Kyle Schwarber and Hector Neris. Hector Neris. All right. All right, here we go. Carlos Rodon, Hunter Renfroe, Kyle Hendricks, Gregory Polanco, Malik Smith, Jeff Samardzija, Mauricio Dubon, Bryce Harper, Atlanta Braves team card, Goodbye Home Run, Robert Perez, Ramon Laureano, Decade's next insert, Mike Trout, very nice, and Brandon Woodruff. Always gotta love a good Mike Trout card. I'll set that one aside any day. Best player in the game, man. Come on. He's already a living legend, bro. That's crazy. That's fire. All right, here we go, guys. Michael Conforto, Anthony Rizzo, Nick Pivetta, Kevin Pillar, Kyle Lewis, rookie. Nice. Bubba Starling, rookie. JD Martinez, CJ Cron, Aaron Nola, Willie Adames, Chicago Cubs team card, Decade's best insert, Jacob deGrom, Daniel Palka, and Ian Kinsler. Kinsler was that last one. All right. Here we go. Looking for Aristides Aquino, Jordan Alvarez, Bo Bichette. Yeah. Gavin Lux, where you at? Derek Dietrich, Matt Strom, Nolan Arenado, Aaron Civale rookie, Brad Keller, Anibal Sanchez, Marwin Gonzalez, Tim Yolmer, Steven Strasburg World Series, Orlando Arcia, Wade Davis, Vladdy Guerrero Jr. tops now. Very nice. Cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Sweet. Matt Barnes and Jake Arrieta. Sweet. Justin Verlander. Aristides Aquino. There he is. The Punisher. The Punisher. The Punisher. I think this one is actually going to go into my personal collection. Very nice. I got him. Aristides Aquino. That's into the personal collection. Sweet. Luis Garcia, Melky Cabrera, Shohei Ohtani. Sweet. Buster Posey, Jack Flaherty, Joey Votto, Steven Matz, New York Mets team card, Minnesota Twins team card, Chris Sale, 1985. Christian Vasquez and Blake Treinen. Sweet. Finally got a rookie I was looking for, guys. Aristides Aquino. Very nice. Very, very nice. But let's keep it going. Wait, real quick, I want to check out the odds. Just to give us an idea of what we're looking at here. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff in here. It's very good. Very, very good. Sweet, guys. There you go. There's the odds. Yoan Moncada. Rafael Devers. JT Realmuto. Zach Greinke. Michael Givens. Starlin Castro. Jordan Yamamoto rookie card. Freddie Peralta. Logan Allen. Yadi Molina. Oh, here's our hit. Major League Material ET. Who could ET be? ET. Who could ET be? Alright. Anyways. It is Eric Thames. From the Milwaukee Brewers. Eric Thames. From the Milwaukee Brewers. Major League Material. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yadi Molina. Nelson Cruz. And Yoan Moncada. Eric Thames. Like E.T. E.T. But it was Eric Thames. Because Eric Thames is E.T. Major League Material. Eric Thames. Very nice. Major League material. Very nice. Very, very nice. Relic. Sweet. Let's keep it going. So we got the hit of the box, guys. Eric Thames, Major League material. Very nice. See what else we can get. Kirby Yates, John Gray, Michael Brosseau, rookie. Tyler White, Leary Garcia, Nicky Lopez, Sean Doolittle, Brandon Belt, Johnny Cueto, Cleveland Indians team card, Robbie Grossman, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., 1985 design. Very nice card. Christian Stewart and Jose Urquidy. All right, we got 5 packs left, guys. 5 packs left. Let's see what we can get. Pumped. I am pumped right now. Let's go. Taylor Rogers, Alex Bregman, Jeremy Jeffries, Carlos Santana, Miles Mikolas, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Gold Cup, Tyler Beede, Ketel Marte, Houston Astros team card, Washington Nationals team card, Rogelio Armenteros rookie, Robel Garcia rookie, 1985, very nice. Franmil Reyes and David Dahl of the Colorado Rockies. David Dahl. All right, 4 packs left. The final countdown. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. There we go. Dustin May. Very nice. I will sleeve that one up immediately. Looks like we got a rainbow full in this pack. So already looking like it's going to be a good pack, guys. I'm pumped. Let's go. Very nice. Dustin May. The Red Rocket. Pretty sure that's his name, right? Besides that, his rookie card is awesome. That's an awesome picture right there. The hair, you know, just ready to just throw gas. You feel me? Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Hunter Dozier. Nico Horner rookie. Very nice. Justin Turner. Pete Alonso league leaders. Merrill Kelly. Ken Giles. Oakland Athletics team card. Jalen Davis rookie card. Tommy Pham. Anthony Rendon. It is a Garrett Cole league leaders rainbow. Garrett Cole league leaders rainbow. Sweet. Very nice. Gotta love a good foil card. Even if it is the Houston Astros, guys. Very nice. Okay. There it is. Oh, the last 2 cards of that pack, guys, were George Springer and Jake Rogers rookie. Very nice. Cool. 3 packs left, guys. 3 packs left. Let's see what else we can get. Oscar Mercado, Garrett Cooper, Brad Hand, Dario Argazal, rookie. Tyler Glasnow, Yusei Kikuchi, Mike Soroka Gold Cup, Andrew Chafin, Jorge Soler, who hit how many home runs did he hit last year? 48 home runs. Jorge Soler hit 48 home runs in 2019. That is insane. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anthony Rendon, World Series. Steven Strasburg, league leaders. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Willie Mays, die cut. Very, very nice. I'll sleeve that one up right now. This one will probably go in the personal collection. That. Very nice. Well, we have to read this because it's legendary player, so he deserves at least 5 seconds. With defense included in the calculation of WAR, wins above replacement, the number of wins a player adds to his team beyond that of a generic replacement. Mays was the class of the 1960s. In fact, only one player was close to his 84.2 total, Hank Aaron at 81. The entirety of the decade's top 10 were future Hall of Famers, but no one else amassed more than 66.4. Willie Mays die cut. Very, very nice. Gotta be delicate with this one. That is definitely in the personal collection. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And the last 2 cards of that one was Whit Merrifield and Sam Hilliard. Rookie card. Sam Hilliard. Okay. 2 packs left, guys. And that silver pack, so I guess 3 packs left, technically. Alright. Looks like we got another foil in here. Yordan Alvarez, baby. Let's go. I'll sleeve that one up immediately. Yordan Alvarez. Probably the #1 rookie of this class. A lot of people are hyped on Yordan Alvarez. Very nice. Very, very nice. That. Yordan Alvarez. Got him. Got him. Got him. Clayton Kershaw. Ramon Laureano, Future Stars. This is the pick that I was talking about earlier. Chris Paddock, Future Stars. Jorge Polanco. Domingo Santana. Evan Longoria. Matt Olson. Dominic Smith. John Van Meter. John Lester. Or Josh Van Meter. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Josh. So it's a rookie. Let's see who it is. Looks like it's a pitcher. It is Adrian Morejon. Adrian Morejon Rainbow Foil. Very nice. It's a good pull, especially when it's a rookie. Very nice. Adrian Morejon. Okay, let's keep it going. Albert Alzolay and Yuli Gurriel. Yuli. Well, guys, we're down to the last pack. Last pack. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Last pack alert. Last person on that one is Roberto Osuna. Cole Calhoun. Jesus Luzardo. Sleeve this one up immediately. He's gonna be good. Jesus Luzardo. Very nice. Very, very nice. So where were we at? Cole Calhoun. Carlos Correa. Brian Abreu, rookie. Jordan Zimmerman. Abram Toro, rookie. Alberto Mondesi. Charlie Culberson. Jackie Bradley Jr. Ian Kennedy. Max Kepler. Decade's Best. Texas. 2010s. That's weird. Miguel Baez. And Roberto Osuna. Sweet. So a lot of good stuff in this one. The hit of the box was Eric Thames, Major League material. So didn't get an auto, but a lot of other good stuff to supplement that. And yeah, every time we open 2020 Series 1, it's always epic, man, because this is a good set. I mean, and the thing is that it hasn't, the price of it hasn't shot up like some of the other stuff, so it's still pretty, like, you know, it's still pretty affordable to get. I mean, at least compared to some of the other stuff like Gypsy Queen and what's the other one? Was it Gypsy Queen and Inception? So, yeah, very nice. Topps 2020 Series 1. I always get excited to open it. All right, guys, we got this last pack, silver pack. But before I open this, I want to say make sure to like and subscribe and check out my Instagram page at Senor Topps. So without any further ado, let's rip open this silver pack. Let's see what we get. It'd be sweet if we could get auto. Okay. All right. I'm nervous. I am nervous. Francisco Lindor. Ronald Acuna Jr. Very nice. Sean Murphy, rookie card. Very nice. And Ryan Sandberg. Cool. And this home run challenge. Well, guys, there it is. I guess I'll recap some of the goodies that I got. A lot of rookies, pretty much all the rookies. Garrett Cole, foil. Vladdy, Topps Now. Oscar Mercado, rainbow. Fernando Tatis Jr., Topps Choice. Christian Vasquez, gold. Herman Marquez, gold. Dylan Cease, rookie. Yeah, I put that in a top loader. Why not? And then some of the other notable rookies / pulls that I got. Jesus Luzardo. Adrian Morejon, rookie. Rainbow foil. Yordan Alvarez. Dustin May, 1985. And Ramon Laureano, short print. Very nice. Very, very nice. I was just talking the other day how I'm looking for 2020 Series 1 short prints. So, if you have any, let me know. Contact me through Instagram or via the comments on this video. So, thanks, guys, for tuning in. And hopefully I'll be able to make more videos here soon. And, yeah, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know what you guys think the best card I pulled in, what the best card I pulled in the comments. So, let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope everyone stays safe and healthy out there. And happy collecting. See ya.